Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make Google Chrome run faster on Windows 10 11 in just a few easy steps. If your browser feels slow, lags when opening tabs, or takes forever to load pages, don't worry, these tips will boost your speed and improve performance. Let's jump right in. So over time, Chrome collects a lot of cache, cookies, and browsing history, which can slow things down. To clean up it, open Chrome. You can see on my screen, I have opened my Chrome browser and press Ctrl Shift Delete, or you can see the dot, and you can go to this history. Here you can see this Ctrl Shift Delete is delete browsing data. Then you can click on browsing history, download history, cookies, and to check mark all the box. Then cache image and files, cookies and site data, click clear data or delete data. Here you can see this, so click the delete. This can instantly boost performance, especially if it hasn't been done in a while. Extensions are great, but too many can drag Chrome down. To remove or disable them, go to the Chrome address bar and type. Here you can see this, and here is Chrome extension. Then review your list and turn off or remove any extension you don't use regularly. So here you can Monica ChatGPT AI assistants, then you can remove. Then video downloader professional you can also remove, and VPN. Less culture equal to faster browser. In new Chrome version, there's performance section to save money, memory. Go to settings options, and here you can see this. There's setting option, and to go to performance and enable memory saver. Here you can see on this memory saver you can enable this. It pause inactive tabs. So then the energy saver. Here you can see this helps on laptop to reduce background tasks. This helps Chrome stay fast without overloading your systems. So running old version of Chrome or Windows 11 can causes bugs and slow down. So in Chrome, go to Chrome settings and to check for updates. In Windows, go to settings, and here you can see this. Then Windows update. Here you can see Windows update. And make sure you are fully up to date latest updates, and then latest optimization. So let's recap how to speed up Chrome on Windows 11. Clear browsing data, disable unused extension, enable hardware acceleration, to turn on performance settings, keep Chrome and Windows update, and you are done. With these tips, Chrome should feel snappier, smoother, and way more responsive. If this helpful and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.